everyone, I'm Miss Olivia and this is Izzy, and we are going to be showing you today some tips, tools, and tricks how to do your hair and makeup. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a high bun. The first step is a high ponytail. You can find the how to make a high ponytail video in the description below. So after you have your high pony in, you go ahead and grab your bun maker, which you can get at the studio at the front desk. You're going to take your bun maker, open it up, grab the hair, pull your ponytail all the way through, just like that. Then you're going to take your pony and make sure the hair is covering all the way around the bun. Then you're going to take your clear hair tie. Place your hand over the bun and try to go around as clean as possible, but if you can't get it perfect, that's okay too. Then you're going to section in 2 sections. You're going to twist. You're going to twist this guy. This way. Kind of wrap it around the bun. Next, you're just going to grab your hairnet, open it up, which you can buy at the front desk as well. We're going to wrap it. Get it as tight as you can. Wrap it again. Tight as you can. Then you can wrap the excess around. And that right in there. You're going to go ahead and grab your hairspray and your toothbrush. The more stiff the bristles are, the better. I'm going to go ahead and spray.